Today I'm going to show you how to share a WordPress draft page or post with anyone in 2026 without publishing it first. The thing that catches people is that a normal draft is private, so copying the regular page URL won't work. So open your WordPress site and log in. Once the dashboard loads, click Posts in the left sidebar if you're sharing an article. If you're sharing a page, use Pages instead. The steps are exactly the same. I'll open Post, then the Drafts filter. I'll open the draft called How to Start a Small Business. The WordPress editor takes a second to load. Before you do anything else, click Save Draft in the top right corner. You want to save first because an unsaved edit won't show up in the preview. Now click the View icon at the top of the editor, the one that looks like an open laptop. Choose Preview in New tab. The preview opens in a new tab, showing the article as a visitor would see it. Check the desktop, tablet, and mobile icons while it's open. A page can look perfect on desktop and still have a broken mobile layout. Here's where people go wrong. This preview address is tied to your login. If you copy this URL and send it to a client, they'll just hit a WordPress login screen, so close the preview tab and go back to the dashboard. For self-hosted WordPress, the reliable fix is a plugin. Click Plugins in the left sidebar, then Add New Plugin. In the search box, type Public Post Preview. WordPress.com lists this one for anonymous draft previews. Check the developer name carefully because there are similarly named plugins. Click Install now. Once it finishes, click Activate. Then go back to Posts, click Drafts, and open the same draft again. In the editor, look at the settings panel on the right side. You should see a checkbox called Enable Public Preview. If you don't see it, scroll that panel down or close and reopen the editor. Tick Enable Public Preview, and the plugin generates a special preview link right below it. That link is different from your normal WordPress page URL. It'll look something like your website.com/page ID equals 123 and preview equals true. Don't try to manually build that link, always copy the generated one. Click the copy button next to that link. Now open an incognito or private browser window. Paste the link and press enter. You should see the draft load without any WordPress login. I always test it this way because my logged-in browser can make a broken link look fine. If it loads, anyone with the link can review the draft. Now you can send it. Open your email or Slack, paste the link and send it to the client, editor, or friend. The person reviewing it doesn't need a WordPress account, a password, or any user role. You also don't need to create a WordPress user for them or give them administrator access just to read one article. They simply open the link. Make sure you're sending the generated public preview URL, not the normal editor URL. If it asks them to log in, that's the wrong link. If they want changes, go back to the draft in the editor, make the edit, then click Save Draft. Have them refresh the preview page to see the updated version. While you're in there, remember that this preview link is private only because it's hard to guess. Anyone who has the link can open the draft. So don't post it publicly on social media, send it directly to the reviewer. Once they approve everything, go back to the settings panel and untick Enable Public Preview. That kills the old link. If you're using a plugin with expiration or revocation, revoke the link there. For sensitive client work, that's the safer setup. Then click Publish in the top right of the editor. WordPress asks you to confirm, so click Publish again. The page or post goes live, and the normal published URL is the one you share publicly from now on. Now that it's live, if you need to share the finished post with only a small group while keeping it off the public site, open the post settings and click the visibility option next to public. Choose password protected, set a password, and send that password to the group. This is different from the preview link because the page is published, just locked. I only use this for final private pages, not for drafts that still need editing. The public post preview link only stops when you manually uncheck it. If you do a lot of client reviews and want links to expire automatically, go back to Add New Plugin and search Secure Draft Preview Links. Install it, activate it, and use its expiration and revoke controls on the same settings panel. It works the same way but gives you a time limit. That's the setup I prefer for client work because old preview links stop being a loose end. If this got your draft in front of a reviewer, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.